Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your Realme Buds Air 5. And before we starting, I wanna show you that I customized some gestures. So I add to play next track for the double press for the right earbud. Also for the triple tap, for the left one I choose preview to play previous track, and for the right one to increase the volume. And also I add to call voice assistant with the left earbud. I think it's much better than what it have by default. So now let's test it. And the touch areas located right here and right here. Actually, I guess you can see it. So now I put it to my ear and I will show it to you how it works. And firstly we should play some song. If I press 2 times on my left earbud, I will play or pause the song. 1, 2, and I pause it, 1, 2, and now I play a song. If I press 2 times on my right earbud, I will play next track. 1, 2, and as you can see it work. To play previous track, you should press 3 times on your left earbud. So 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, it works. And if you press 3 times on your right earbud, you will increase the volume. And now you can see that I increase it, and let's make it again. And again I increase it. Also what we have. So if you press and hold, sorry, I should turn off it. If you press and hold on your left earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. And as you can see, my voice assistant is awake, so it works. And let me show you what making press and hold on the right earbud. So right here we have noise control. And if I press and hold on my right earbud, I will swap to transparency mode. And if I press and hold it again, I will swap to noise cancellation. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!